Well, birth control is synthetic progesterone. So what it does is during this cycle here, during all of this part, it tells your body it's pregnant. And when it's pregnant, it won't allow anything else to implant in it. Right? By fooling it and saying, yes, I'm pregnant, it doesn't allow the egg to implant. So the egg can still get fertilized and all that stuff, but it won't implant because it's saying, I'm already pregnant. By keeping those progesterone levels high. But then, if anyone's ever been on birth control, there's a week of that birth control that the pills are a different color, right, that you take. And those are sugar pills, right? Those don't actually have any progesterone in them. So what happens is you synthetically do this, right? You go lots and lots and lots and lots of progesterone, then you get to that week of the pack, and it goes whoosh. And so then you have your period. Then you menstruate. Right? You menstruate, then you start taking your pills again, because that's the week of those pills, and you start taking those pills and you go, nope, I'm pregnant again, and so I can't have any more babies. And then it says, nope, I'm not, just kidding. Right? And it just does that over and over again. Is the idea behind birth control pills.